Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing video. Let's begin. Here we go guys. These are two brand new spray guns. One of them's the A-4800. The other one's the A-1600. Let's open them up. See the content. Alright, let's start with the A-1600 by Avalon. Let's see the content. Right away when you open the box, you're gonna have your cup. Real nice, real sturdy cup. Alright, you're gonna have your manual. You're gonna have your tools so that you can disassemble, clean, and have it ready for your next paint job. And your gun. Alright, I like the color of it. Real nice combo color. Fits real nice in the hand. And this one's a 1.3 tip. Let me open up the nozzle right there. You can see the tip. Really nice. This gun, guys, it gives a competition to that Black Widow, from Harbor Freight. It's gonna give a competition to that gun. Real nice. This is high quality finish. This company Avalon, I have several paint guns from them. Never had an issue with any of them. So highly recommend it. Highly recommended on the Avalons. All right, and this is the A-1600. Let's go ahead and open up the 4800. All right, let's start with the 4800, A-4800 by Avalon also. Let's see the content. Right there, guys. Right away, you got your cup. And there it is. Okay. You got your manual. And you got your tool set. So you can disassemble. Now let's take a look at that gun. Here it is. Very nice. Real smooth on the trigger. And this one's a 1.4 tip. Real nice. So I got the 1.3 and the 1.4. There it is. Really nice guns. I like the color of them. I like the finish that it has. And again, guys, this is gonna be a real nice competitor to that Black Widow. Can't wait to put them head to head. All right, let me show you both of them together, so that you can see both guns at the same time. There you go, guys. These guns are really nice, guys, and you cannot go wrong with the company Avalon. I've been using them for many years and love every single product that they carry, that they have. And these are another product. So go ahead. Right there, that's the link to their website. I'm not too sure if they have these on the website already because they're brand new, but they'll eventually have them there. But there you go. And I will be putting these guns against the Black Widows that I have, just to give it a comparison, because it looks like that's gonna be our next competitor. So there you go. Hope you like this video, guys. A little short video, a little short unboxing video, and hope you guys had a good time. There's a lot more coming up, guys. There's that candy paint job on that Buick Regal. It's gonna be a lowrider style paint job. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy that, because it's gonna be a real interesting one. I'll be talking as to how to mix. I'll be doing a special mix on candy also, so just keep an eye out for that video. All right, thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. I'll see you next coming weekend. Like always, God bless.